We are in the midst of a green revolution. This movement is transforming the way we think about food, health, and sustainability. It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle change that is here to stay. More than ever, people are realizing the power of nourishing their bodies from the inside out. Fresh, wholesome foods are becoming the cornerstone of a balanced diet, and the benefits are undeniable. And at the forefront of this movement is a leafy green superfood kale. This humble vegetable has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. You see it everywhere: salads, smoothies, even chips. Kale has become a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, making it easier than ever to enjoy its benefits. But kale is more than just a trendy ingredient. It's a symbol of a larger movement towards healthier eating and living. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. Incorporating kale into your diet can lead to a healthier, more vibrant you. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion, the benefits of kale are numerous. And who doesn't want that? Imagine feeling more energetic, looking more radiant, and enjoying a greater sense of well-being. Throughout this essay, we'll explore the wonderful world of kale and discover how to unlock its full potential. From its rich history to its modern-day uses, there's so much to learn about this incredible vegetable. Join me on this journey to better health. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of kale and how it can transform your life. So let's dive in and embrace the green revolution. Kale may seem like a recent health craze, but it has a rich history dating back centuries. This leafy green has been cherished by various cultures for its resilience and nutritional benefits. Originating in Asia Minor and the Eastern Mediterranean, kale has been a staple food source for thousands of years. Its journey began in these regions, where it was cultivated and revered for its ability to thrive in diverse climates. The ancient Greeks and Romans cultivated kale for its hardiness and nutritional value. They recognized its potential to provide sustenance during harsh winters and included it in their daily diets. Kale was often found in the bustling markets of ancient cities, a testament to its importance in their cuisine. During the Middle Ages, kale became a popular vegetable in Europe, where it was enjoyed by people of all social classes. It was a common sight in medieval gardens and markets, valued for its ability to grow in poor soil and withstand cold temperatures. Kale was a reliable food source during times of scarcity, making it a crucial part of the medieval diet. Fast forward to today, and kale is celebrated worldwide as a superfood. Modern farming techniques have allowed for the cultivation of various kale varieties, each with unique flavors and textures. From curly kale to dinosaur kale, this vegetable has found its way into kitchens around the globe. Its versatility and impressive health benefits have made it a favorite among health-conscious individuals everywhere. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants and fiber, kale is often incorporated into a variety of dishes, from salads and smoothies to soups and stir-fries. Let's delve deeper into what makes kale so special. Beyond its nutritional profile, kale's adaptability in the kitchen and its role in sustainable agriculture highlight its enduring appeal. Join us as we explore the fascinating journey of kale through the ages and discover why it continues to be a beloved vegetable in modern times. Kale truly is a nutritional powerhouse. This leafy green is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. Just 1 cup of raw kale provides a significant amount of your daily recommended intake of vitamins A, C, and K. It's also a great source of folate, manganese, and calcium. But the benefits don't stop there. Kale is rich in antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants contribute to overall health and well-being. With its impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder kale is considered a superfood. Now that we know how good kale is for us, let's talk about how to enjoy it. Kale is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. You can easily incorporate kale into your diet by adding it to smoothies, soups, or stews. Sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a simple yet flavorful side dish. One of my favorite ways to enjoy kale is in a salad. Its slightly bitter taste pairs well with sweet fruits, crunchy nuts, and tangy dressings. No matter your culinary preferences, there's a delicious and healthy way to enjoy kale. Section 5. Your daily dose of green goodness. You might be wondering how much kale you should actually eat to reap its benefits. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can support your overall health. While there's no official recommended daily dosage, most health experts agree that aiming for a serving or two of leafy greens per day is a good goal. This can help ensure you're getting enough fiber, vitamins A, C, and K, as well as other essential nutrients. A serving of kale is about 1 cup raw or 2 cups cooked. This might seem like a lot, but it's quite manageable when you start incorporating it into your meals in creative ways. You can easily incorporate this into your diet by adding a handful to smoothies, soups, or salads. Kale blends well with fruits and smoothies, adds a nutritious punch to soups, and can be a crunchy addition to salads. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and find what works best for you. Everyone's digestive system is different, and it's crucial to pay attention to how your body responds to increased kale intake. Start slowly and gradually increase your intake to avoid any digestive discomfort. Begin with small portions and gradually work your way up to larger servings. This approach allows your body to adjust and helps you enjoy the benefits of kale without any adverse effects. Additionally, there are many delicious recipes that feature kale as a main ingredient. From kale chips to kale pesto, the possibilities are endless. Experiment with different cooking methods and find what you enjoy the most. Incorporating kale into family meals can also be a great way to ensure everyone is getting their daily dose of greens. Kids might enjoy kale chips as a healthy snack, and adults can appreciate the versatility of kale in various dishes. When shopping for kale, look for fresh, vibrant leaves that are free from wilting or yellowing. Fresh kale will have the best flavor and nutritional value. Store your kale properly to keep it fresh for longer. Keep it in the refrigerator and wash it just before use to maintain its crispness and nutritional benefits. By making kale a regular part of your diet, you're taking a step towards better health and well-being. Enjoy your daily dose of green goodness and feel the positive impact it has on your life. Section 6. Kale chips, a healthy snack. Craving something crunchy and satisfying? Ditch the potato chips and opt for a healthier alternative? Kale chips? Making kale chips at home is incredibly easy. Simply toss kale leaves with olive oil, sea salt, and your favorite seasonings. Then, bake them in the oven until crispy. These homemade kale chips are a delicious and guilt-free way to indulge your snack cravings. They're perfect for satisfying your salty tooth while providing your body with essential nutrients. Section 7. Kale salad, a refreshing delight. Kale salad is a refreshing and flavorful way to enjoy this leafy green. The key to a delicious kale salad is to massage the leaves with dressing. This helps to soften the kale and reduce its bitterness. Start by massaging chopped kale leaves with olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. This process will help tenderize the leaves and make them more palatable. Then, add your favorite toppings like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations to find your perfect kale salad recipe. Section 8. Green smoothies, a nutrient-packed breakfast. Start your day off right with a nutrient-packed green smoothie. Kale is a fantastic addition to smoothies, adding a boost of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Combine a handful of kale with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and liquids in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. You can customize your smoothie to your liking by adding protein powder, nut butter, or chia seeds. Green smoothies are a quick and easy way to nourish your body from the inside out. Section 9. Finding your perfect kale routine. Incorporating kale into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Start by adding a handful to your next salad or smoothie. Experiment with different recipes and find what you enjoy the most. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to include kale in your meals a few times a week to reap its incredible health benefits. Listening to your body is crucial. If you experience any digestive discomfort, simply reduce your intake and gradually increase it over time. Section 10. Embrace the power of kale. Kale is more than just a leafy green. It's a symbol of health, vitality, and mindful eating. By embracing kale and all it has to offer, we can nourish our bodies and live our best lives. So I encourage you to join me on this journey to better health. Let's unlock the power of kale together.